Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to be going over collision with entities. So where we left off, we have our entities and they can collide perfectly with our tiles. And not only that, we have the world handling with all of the entities, which is good. So in the world class, in our for loop, where we collide with the tiles with each entity, we're going to add another for loop. And in here, this is where we will collide with other entities. And then after that, we'll collide with tiles again. So if we pushed into an entity, it might push us into the tile, and we don't want that. So we collide with tiles again. It's not the most efficient way, but it works. I'm sure there is a way that's a lot faster. And we'll also call collide with entity entities get j. And there's a problem. We don't have collide with entities, and this shouldn't be 0. It should be I plus 1. So after we change this, we can create a new method for colliding with just entities. So to get started on this, I'm going to create a collision, and we'll use bounding box get collision entity bounding box. So this will get all the data we need so we can collide with the entity. So first we need to test if it is intersecting. And if it is, we can continue on. First, what we need to do is we need to correct our position. And we'll use entity bounding box. And we'll pass in collision. And I'll have it like this for right now. And I want to see if this works. So we can go ahead and run. And I don't know if it works. Okay, so I know exactly why it's not working. And this is because we're not setting the transform. So go ahead and have transform pos set, and we'll set it to bounding box get center x and bounding box get center y, and then put 0 at the end of it. So now our entity should collide, and it works. But there's a problem. We can't push this entity. It's just pushing into us. Well, we can solve that. So first, I'm going to correct the entities bounding box with our bounding box and collision. And we also have to set its transformation pos as well. The entities bounding box center X, same as the Y, and 0. So now let's see if that works. It works, but now we get this strange little effect right there. It's a big gap in between them. And we can solve this by dividing the direction inside the collision by 2. So in the collision we have distance. I called it direction, but it's distance. And we just need to divide it by 2. As far as I know, vector 2's don't have its own division method inside of JOML, or the version that I currently have. So I'm just going to do it like this. And now we should have no gap in between them, and we can push them all over the place. Except when he gets stuck in there. And also, I actually like this effect, but when you move into him, it kind of like squishes itself into the entity, and when you're not moving, it pushes itself back out. I actually like that. I like that little effect. Anyways, that's all I have for in this video. I don't have anything planned for the next video, so although I'm pretty sure it's still going to be on entities, but I'll see you in the next video.